Step 1.
I have a number 12 curved shrimp caddis pupa hook in the vise. We can go as small as number 18 and as large as number 8 to tie this pattern. I've got a white metal extra small bead on the hook, and I'm using 8/0 black pre-waxed thread to build a tapered body to the underbody of this fly.
Step 2.
The rib for this fly is bright red, fine copper wire.
Step 3.
I've taken about 5 strands of black flashabou, tied it in behind the bead, and winding it back to the bend of the hook. I'll then take the material and wind it back forward, and that'll form the black shiny body of this fly.
Is black also a very common color for chironomids?
Black body with red rib is probably the most common colored chironomid pupa we see in our waters.
And the white bead is the gill area?
The white bead is imitating the gills, plus it's adding weight to the fly.
Step 4.
We'll take the fine red copper wire now, and I'm taking 2 or 3 turns to form a bit of a tag at the end of the fly, just to add a little more red to it, and now I'm winding it through to form the rib. And 5 to 7 wraps would be typical for this size of hook. Tying it off right behind the metal bead.
Step 5.
So we'll take our whip finisher and finish off this fly just behind the white metal bead.
How efficient is this little fly? It looks so simple to make.
It is a very simple fly to tie, but it's probably one of the most effective color combinations for imitating the chironomid pupa in our waters. Here is the finished ice cream cone or white bead-headed chironomid pupa fly.